here's the latest project I'm working on. And this is my junk pile. And you'll notice this right here was just purchased probably a week ago, and it's already in the junk pile. And I'm doing a PSA here because this really pissed me off. This is the new Kobalt air compressor that I purchased for almost $110, I think it was. I'm not 100% sure, don't quote me on that, but it wasn't cheap. Really good compressor, really quiet, very efficient. No complaints yet on this thing. I've used it quite a bit so far, on this project at least. Didn't want to take out the big Porter cable. But the video's not about the compressor, it's about this damn hose that they supply with it, which damn near almost took out my eyeball. Thankfully I was wearing safety glasses. Don't use these. That's my biggest takeaway from this video. Don't use these, and I'm going to show you why. Here, I've left it exactly how it almost ripped my eye out. This is the fitting that goes into the receptacle, just like this. And the kit comes pre-made. It's got a barbed fitting on the end, and it uses this really crappy thin hose. It almost feels like a drinking straw consistency. And this barb goes into the fitting like so, and then it just relies on the barbs of the actual fitting itself to hold itself in. Now, I was running my tools at 110 PSI. I was running a 16 gauge brad nailer on it, and the first thing that happened, which was weird, is the barb came out of this side. So literally the pressure as this tool was right in front of my face. Actually, I'll show you what I was doing. You can imagine I got my nail gun in my hand. I'm up on a ladder and I'm hitting these here with the nailer. This is pretty much face level with me because I was only up a couple steps. The whole entire hose comes ripping off with 110 PSI on it and scrapes across my safety glasses, both eyes. Straight across because it slipped out of this thing. Then, to add insult to injury, I reconnected all back in. I got my compressor probably about second stud in, sitting here. My project is right here, and the whole damn thing blew out of the top of the port where you saw when we first started the video, out of this. So the very next thing I did was take the whole hose and throw it in the garbage. So I just wanted to do a little a little awareness video here. I don't normally like to bash stuff on my channel. I've had my fair share of shitty tools, but that pissed me off because now you're talking about your eyes. So make sure you wear safety glasses when you're doing this kind of crap. And I'm gonna have to take out my real good hoses. I got a nice Goodyear hose and go ahead and finish the project with that. But if you're looking at this Kobalt kit from Lowe's, if it comes with a hose in it, take the hose and throw it directly in the garbage, and then get yourself a real hose with a proper fitting that doesn't rely on this barb style, because it's not even, and the funny part about it is these barbs aren't even sharp, they're like dull. It's just real cheap garbage. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, and I got a pretty cool video coming up soon, so subscribe.